Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by turning on your Xbox and the Samsung Smart TV together. Ensure the Xbox HDMI output matches the TV resolution and refresh rate. Use an HDMI 2, one cable when you want 4K at 120Hz performance. Plug the cable into an HDMI ARC or eARC port if available on your TV. Sign into your Microsoft account on the Xbox for cloud saves and Xbox Live. Pair the Xbox controller via Bluetooth or USB so you can navigate menus immediately. On the Samsung remote, select the HDMI input that matches the Xbox port. If the port is labeled HDMI ARC or eARC, choose that for audio pass-through. Open the Samsung picture settings and enable game mode to reduce input lag. In the TV external device settings, enable UHD color for that HDMI input. On the Xbox, open display and sound settings and set resolution to 4K and refresh rate to 60Hz or 120Hz. Turn on HDR and variable refresh rate to match the TV capabilities. If available, install the Xbox app from the Samsung App Store for easier navigation. Use Xbox Remote Play or the Xbox Cloud Gaming app to stream titles without switching inputs. For streaming from your console, use a wired Ethernet connection for best stability and throughput. If you must use Wi-Fi, choose a 5 GHz band or a mesh node near the TV. Ensure your internet delivers at least 60 Mbps for reliable 1080p cloud play and 35 Mbps for 4K streaming. Use the TV audio output settings to route sound to a soundbar or TV speakers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.